So I am back to traveling to Alaska for work, and I picked up this Kelty Redwing Traveler about 6 months ago, and I've been using it for vacations and just traveling around. And I wanted to give it a few months and see what I actually thought about it. And now that the time's gone and I'm traveling again back and forth every 2 weeks, I gotta tell you, I love it. We have the 40 and the 50, and I'll show you the 40 before I'm done here. This is a 50, this is the one I use mostly, and I really like it. The material is really rugged. Just to let you know, I'm not going to get into all the specs of this bag. You can look it up yourself. I'm going to give you just my opinion of it. The material, I really like the material. It's rugged and durable and water resistant. And I am a pocket guy. I love organization and pockets, and the 50 really brings it home here. On the sides, you have the zip out where you can put your sandals, your shoes, a compression coat or something. Each side has these pouches here where you can put your water bottles, or again, you could put sandals, shoes, or anything you think to put in there. I really like it. On the sides, it has a pouch for your water bottles. On the top here, it has a zip out, and it's a line compartment for your glasses and whatnot, things you don't want scratched. And it's really convenient to access. It has compression straps on the side, which I really like. They snap in easy and pull tight once you get it all packed up. There's a handle on the side, handle on the bottom, and a handle on the top, so you can pick it up and move it, which I really do like. This 50 has a zipper pouch on the front. It goes the whole length of the front pouch, which is great to put items in, notepads and such. And what I love about this is the front completely zips down, and you have all this space there. You have a compartment, zipper pouches. I mean, it's just really nice. It's great for organization. You open it up, and all the way, and you have a nice area to put your clothes and whatnot in. I mean, it is fantastic. You got compression straps around the front. Put your clothes in and pull them tight. You have a nice laptop padded sleeve on it. On the side here, you have a laptop compartment access on the right hand side. I just really love this thing. You got the straps that go in the front, your chest straps, and you got the waist straps, which I keep tucked away because I don't use those when I'm traveling. But honestly, for a hike, an overnight, or just mostly I've been using this for traveling, this really is a fantastic bag. And I think the price is absolutely reasonable for it. And let's be honest, Kelty makes really good stuff, and they stand by their warranties. So, this is the 50. Now the 40 is a little bit smaller, of course, because it's a 40, and it misses the front compartment here. And that's pretty much the only difference in the two bags as far as compartments is the front zip bag. It has the padded laptop sleeve. It has a compartment in front for your glasses and whatnot. I mean, it's a great bag too. My girlfriend uses this one when we travel, and I use the 50. If you're looking for a backpack for traveling or hiking, this is really a good way to go. That's a Redwing Traveler, 40 and 50. The 50 is mine, 40 is hers. So I would definitely recommend these. I'm not sponsored in any way. I just thought it's important to reach out and say, hey, this is a pretty good bag, and this is what I use. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and we'll have some more gear coming through here in our travels and our adventures, and we'll see you in the next one, alright? Thank you for watching.